Thanks for tuning in to 2K Sports. We've got some NBA action for you coming up. I'm Kevin Harlan, joined by Greg Anthony and Richard Jefferson, with David Aldridge roaming the sideline. The fans here in Detroit ready to cheer on their Pistons in this inter-conference matchup.
Hey, yo, right here.
Pass to Cunningham. Kicks it out to Bogdanovich. Jacks up a three. Hands it from downtown.
And Bogdanovich is a consistent shooter from outside. Once he's in rhythm, he's comfortable from firing from beyond.
Now here's Porter. In the corner, Smith with it. You know, the first thing you think of with both these teams, Greg, their athleticism. Some high flyers on the court tonight.
And, Kev, it's not just about the aerial skills, though. There are some guys out there who can flat out wear you down with their ability to run the floor.
Here's Stewart. Bogdanovich wide open. No good on the three.
The defense just giving him the easy look there. He's not going to miss that.
Green, no luck. Cunningham inside. Here's Ivy. A three-pointer off the mark. And here are the Rockets now. It's a three-point game. And in the first, a little over a minute and a half in.
I thought he had that all sewn up, but somehow the defense just threw him off.
Back to Cunningham. Kicks it out to Bogdanovich. Sinks the triple. Bogdanovich has got 6.
And looking at the stats, Bojan, one of the more prolific corner three shooters, he loves that spot. And when you look at the complete game of the Detroit Pistons, there are struggles on both ends of the floor, which I'm sure can feel discouraging at times. And he's not going to miss that sort of an opportunity from deep.
And now the first timeout called here for the Rockets. A slow start here for Houston in this one. Searching for their first points of the game. The Rockets again can't hit. And looking at the Pistons' recent performance, Greg, which end would you want to see improve first?
Kevin, I'd have to say defense. More stops means more chances in the open floor, and it would help them keep games competitive.
Now Stewart. After Jalen Green's three-pointer that didn't go.
Their play on both ends has been superb. We'll see if they can maintain the momentum.
They came out and bum rushed them. Huge difference in activity level from both teams tonight.
Now here's Stewart. And then Cunningham with the dunk.
I like their focus coming in. Terrific execution so far.
Couldn't come up with a much better start than this. They just have to keep it going.
Here's Tate. And foul on the shot. He'll shoot 2 at the free throw line.
And Jason Tate, talk about positional flexibility. I don't know if you'd call him an oversized guard or an undersized forward.
He even played some center at Ohio State. NBA scouts weren't sure what his position was. He kind of flew underneath the radar, went undrafted, but everybody knows his name now.
Rockets trailed by 16. Gordon for 3. And it's Noel with the rebound. And it's Detroit's ball. It's been 16 straight unanswered. Lets it go from the wing. Good on the jump shot. Cunningham's got 9 points.
Well, nice to see Cunningham strike from mid-range. He obviously isn't afraid of mixing up his offense.
Now a timeout called by Houston. The Rockets making a switch here. We've got 1:08 left to play in the first. Pass to Smith. From deep three-point range, the Rockets again can't hit. Pistons leading by 18. Noel with it. Here's Ivy. And a miss there on the triple. Outside Porter. Here's Garuba. Out of bounds. Detroit takes possession. There's 37 seconds left to play in the first quarter. Hayes with it. And Hayes throws it down.
And guys, he's not an easy man to stop when he's got the rim in his sights.
Never has been, never will be. He is a determined finisher. Pass to Bogdanovich. Back to Hayes. And so it's Cade Cunningham making things happen for Detroit. He finishes with 9 points in the quarter. The D is having all sorts of... And welcome back to the second quarter of action. Plenty of basketball left to play, but this one has been one-sided so far. And what do you guys think so far about the offensive approach for the Pistons?
Now that James Harden has left Houston, can we appreciate the 8 years he just had with the Rockets? He was an all-star every season in Clutch City.
And it's Bogdanovich in the corner. Pass to Hayes. Back to Burks. 5 on the clock. From beyond the arc. Hayes, no good. And you mentioned it, looking at the accomplishments for Harden in Houston, I mean, absolutely incredible.
Yeah, look, 8 seasons, and let's go down the list. 6 first-team All-NBA selections, an MVP, 3 scoring titles. Harden carried that franchise at times, nearly got Houston to the finals, just ran into some tough luck. Well, yeah, and also the Warriors, they are tough luck.
They are. He also had the right coach, didn't he? The right coach at the right time for the right play. Pass to Noel. And Noel throws it down.
Oh, reversed at home. That was pretty.
Agreed. The agility on display. And now we've got some time to check in from the sidelines. You got for us, DA?
Thanks, guys. Now, Jalen Green is on a mission. He says, every time I step on the floor, I always have something to prove to who's ever in those stands. A lot of people will hate on me or have their opinions. I'm just going to think about that when I step on the floor. I'm going to prove everybody wrong. Kevin?
That's a great chip to keep on his shoulder. David, thanks.
And you just have to admire that aggressive nature of Bogdanovich. He's just itching to pull the trigger as soon as the ball hits his hand.
Inside. There's Noel. And slam dunk by Noel.
And he might be small for a center, but boy, can he jump out of the building.
Pass to Gordon. Outside, Martin. The Rockets with another miss. Pistons leading by 23. Here's Hayes. Bagley trying to free himself up. Burks on the wing. And a strong finish.